Look, you've got nothing to lose. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with Supersize Your Business, and our idiom today is, you've got nothing to lose. Now, I looked and I dug for the actual origin, and we know the meaning of this idiom, this expression, but I couldn't find the actual origin. It's attributed to Marx saying something about, we've got nothing to lose, or nothing to lose but our chains, something to that effect. I'm talking Marx, the philosopher and political, I guess, activist, I don't know, writer. So you've got nothing to lose. There's been a few times in my life, not very many, where I felt like I've had nothing to lose, and so I could just go for something. I could go all in. Most of my life, just like most other people, at least here in the United States, we feel like we have a lot to lose, because we do have a lot to lose. We have a lot of advantages, a lot of freedoms, a lot of things that other people in other parts of the world don't necessarily have, so they don't take them for granted like many of us do. But with respect to my health or with relationships, sometimes we get to the point where, hey, I feel like I'm at rock bottom. I've failed in this relationship. I've had this health challenge. I've got nothing to lose, so I might as well make a massive, drastic change. When I was in my 20s, my early 20s, I had some mega health challenges, some systemic, bizarre kidney, arthritis, vision, all kinds of weird things. And so I was getting tested and prodded and poked by doctors for about 3 years, and ended up, that was back in the day before they treated people as a system, and they were treating, each of my different specialists were treating me based on what they thought was best to treat the symptoms of the area of specialty that they were dealing with. So my nephrologist was dealing with my kidneys, and he was treating me with drugs and medications and things and regimens that he thought were best for my kidney health. My cardiologist was treating me with the techniques and the processes that he thought was best for my heart health. My ophthalmologists and eye doctors and eye specialists were treating me with the different methods that they thought were best for my eye challenge. But nobody was looking at, all right, all of this is combined together and is causing some kind of a systemic challenge. And so got to the point where all of the medications and all the treatments and all the appointments and being stuck in bed in my early 20s was intolerable. The side effects of the medications, and I didn't know this until I figured I had nothing left to lose and I just stopped taking all my medications. I didn't realize that the side effects of those medications and the different treatments were actually causing me more challenges and more physical ailments and more problems than what was systemically wrong with me, which they never did figure out in the first place. And once I quit and I went cold turkey on those, because I figured I had nothing to lose by not taking the medications, because I felt so bad by taking them, that I just experimented on myself, much to my parents and my doctor's chagrins. But it's what I needed to do to figure out and move on with my life. So often we feel like we hit rock bottom, and there's nowhere to go but up. And when there's nowhere to go but up, it's really easy to go all in and do the things we need to do to turn our life around, or to change our life, or to create the life that we want. Turns out there's actually a nothing to lose business strategy, and there's 5 keys to this strategy. I thought it was fascinating that people would go into business with the philosophy and the belief that they have nothing to lose, so they might as well go for it. They might as well go all in. So what are the 5 keys to this? Number 1, find your purpose. Know what your purpose is and figure that out. Number 2, do it with a team. Don't try to do it on your own. Everything is better when we are doing it with other people. At least that's my philosophy. Number 3, see only the goal. Know exactly where you're going. Singular focus, constant focus. And I think this is more about focus than the goal itself, is that pick the one thing and go for that one thing. Number 4, overcome your fears, and we could spend a whole day talking about that. And then number 5, keep moving forward, keep making progress. Allow yourself to go all in. If you've got nothing to lose and everything to gain, you'll go all in. I prefer the question, what versus what have you got to lose? What have you got to gain? What could you possibly gain by making this step, stepping out of your comfort zone, taking this action, talking to this potential customer, talking to this potential business partner, branching off, learning more about related or unrelated industries that might help you in your business to grow and supersize and create what it is that you want. So that is our interesting idiom for today. You've got nothing to lose. Again, maybe I'll dig a little more and find out where it exactly came from. I don't know that it matters. Sometimes it doesn't matter so much where something came from as it absolutely positively does not matter where something came from as much as what it means to us. So when I say I got nothing to lose, what am I saying? What does that mean to me? And it might be different than when you say, hey, I've got nothing to lose. Maybe you mean, I don't know, you know, I've got so much in the bank and I've got my business so structured that I can branch off and do different things, and I have nothing to lose because this is running automatically and will take care of itself so I can do other projects that I'm interested in. What does it mean to you? That's the most important thing. That's it. That is our idiom for today. I will be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? How might you use it in your business and your life? If you'd like to know, or if you've got a positive idiom, you'd like to know the meaning and the background and how to apply it to your business, hit me up in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow.